Hello everyone, welcome back to Swara YouTube channel. You know guys that the way to make the cell phone light up when there is a notification is one of the things that is quite important, because if the cell phone screens light up when there's a notification such as from WhatsApp, Facebook or others, we'll immediately know and can be a sign that when the cell phone light up when there's a notification, and you can immediately make the message or notification. So now I'm gonna show you how to wake the screen for notification on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first go to settings menu and then you can scroll down and go to notification center. Alright, you can choose lock screen and click wake screen for waking up the screen when receiving notification. So now you can enable and you can allow any apps to wake the screen, such as Google, Gboard, or others. And you're done. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to wake the screen for notification on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. And thank you so much for watching.